Improving listening comprehension, distinguishing between main ideas and supporting details. Hello and welcome back to our English language learning series. In today's video, we will focus on an essential skill for improving your listening comprehension, distinguishing between main ideas and supporting details. Being able to identify the main ideas and supporting details in a conversation or a lecture will greatly enhance your understanding and retention of the information. So, let's dive in. To begin, let's understand why it's crucial to differentiate between main ideas and supporting details. Main ideas are the central concepts or key points that convey the overall message of a conversation or a lecture. They provide the foundation for understanding the topic. On the other hand, supporting details are additional pieces of information that explain, illustrate, or provide evidence for the main ideas. They give depth and context to the main ideas. Now, let's explore some strategies for identifying the main ideas in a listening passage. One effective approach is to pay attention to repeated information. If you hear a concept or phrase mentioned multiple times, it is likely a main idea. Furthermore, listen for topic sentences. These sentences often introduce the main idea at the beginning of a paragraph or a conversation. They act as signposts, guiding you to the central point. Moving on to recognizing supporting details, listen for specific examples, facts, or statistics provided to support the main ideas. These details can help you grasp the nuances and strengthen your understanding of the topic. Additionally, transitional words and phrases such as, for example, in addition, or furthermore, often indicate the presence of supporting details. They link the main ideas to the supplementary information. To become a better listener, it is essential to employ some effective strategies. Active listening is key. Stay focused and engaged throughout the conversation or lecture. Avoid distractions and take notes if it helps you stay attentive. Additionally, try to predict the main ideas and supporting details based on the context or prior knowledge. This proactive approach will prepare your mind to grasp the essential information. To reinforce your understanding of distinguishing between main ideas and supporting details, practice is crucial. Engage in listening exercises and activities that provide opportunities to identify and differentiate main ideas and supporting details. You can also watch TED Talks, podcasts, or news broadcasts and practice summarizing the main ideas and supporting details after each session. Regular practice will sharpen your listening comprehension skills. Congratulations! You've learned valuable strategies for distinguishing between main ideas and supporting details in your listening comprehension. Remember, identifying main ideas helps you understand the core message, while recognizing supporting details provides depth and context. By actively listening, predicting, and practicing regularly, you will significantly enhance your ability to comprehend English audio content. Keep up the great work, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more English language learning videos. Happy learning!